99% of men never do this, yet it's something women truly appreciate. At first, that might sound a bit exaggerated, doesn't it? But take a second and think about it. How often do you come across a man who appears to have everything going for him? He's good-looking, self-assured, maybe even highly successful, yet he still struggles to build meaningful and lasting connections with women. And no, the reason isn't his appearance, wealth, or social status. The reality is that most men ignore the small actions that carry enormous influence. These are the subtle behaviors that can make someone truly unforgettable. Today, I'm going to share 5 hidden truths that women deeply value, even though they rarely express them openly. We're not discussing the usual dating cliches. We're talking about psychological triggers supported by science and timeless stoic wisdom, principles capable of completely changing the way women see you and transforming you into a natural source of attraction. Now, picture this. What if you could tap into desires that exist beneath the surface, desires many women aren't even consciously aware of? What if you could naturally separate yourself from the other 99.9% of men without chasing anyone, without seeking validation, simply by understanding what makes a woman feel wanted and emotionally connected? That's the reality. If you're unaware of these secrets, you're already at a disadvantage. You could be missing out on the type of attraction that lingers in your mind long after you've left. That's exactly why this video is so important. Once you understand these 7 secrets, especially the final one, you'll never see attraction the same way again. Before we get started, I have a quick please to ask. If you want to truly master these powerful concepts, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Now, let's jump straight into secret number 1. Secret number 1, the power of touch before intimacy. Imagine this situation. You're out on a date, the atmosphere feels pleasant, the conversation is flowing effortlessly, she laughs and seems engaged, but something still feels missing. You sense that she's physically present, yet not completely emotionally invested. You drop her off, send her a text later, and then nothing. Complete silence. This is where most men get it wrong. They assume attraction is mainly about words. They concentrate on saying the perfect thing, delivering clever jokes, or coming up with witty remarks. But women don't connect through words alone. They connect through emotions, presence, and physical closeness. And one of the most overlooked ways to strengthen that connection is through touch. Not in a needy, pushy, or intrusive manner, but in a subtle, deliberate, and reassuring way. The secret lies in a simple gesture that almost every man overlooks, a gentle and comforting touch before intimacy. It can completely change the energy between two people. For women, emotional connection can be as powerful as physical attraction, and sometimes even more powerful. Gentle, non-sexual touch communicates far more than words ever can. It silently says, "I see you, I appreciate you, you're safe with me." This isn't about being flawless or possessing extraordinary abilities. It's about being fully present, slowing down, paying attention, and creating an environment where she feels understood, valued, and desired without pressure or urgency. As Marcus Aurelius once said, stop arguing about what a good man should be. Become one. Don't overanalyze everything or try to force outcomes. Remain calm, composed, and guided by the right intentions. Most men never take the time to truly understand this principle. That's why they become part of the 99% who struggle to create genuine intimacy. But the small percentage who understand it build connections that women remember for a very long time. Secret number 2, the art of respectful flirting. Most men usually fall into 2 categories. They either flirt excessively and come across as needy or overwhelming, or they avoid flirting altogether because they're afraid of making a mistake and end up becoming invisible. But the truth is that women enjoy flirting when it's done correctly. Fun, engaging, confident, and most importantly, respectful. Flirting isn't about memorizing pickup lines or pretending to be charming. It's about energy. It's about keeping interactions lighthearted, adding playful humor, and creating that spark that makes her genuinely feel something. Think of it as a dance. You set the rhythm, she responds, and everything unfolds naturally. It should feel effortless and authentic, never forced or scripted. For instance, if she mentions that she loves Italian food, you might reply, "Oh, really? Then clearly you haven't tasted my cooking yet." That's playful confidence, not arrogance. It's light, intriguing, and naturally appealing. The true